right, time for a quick installment of Lone Wolf Garage. One where you can see up my nose really well. Yeah, I'm down here on the ground as I am going to replace my Jiffy Stand Spring on this here 2009 Sportster. Back in the fall, I suffered a break in not only the spring, but the tab on the end of my Jiffy Stand that helped you catch it with your toe. I actually got that fixed today. Had it welded back on. I'll show a picture of that here. But yeah, in the interim of not having a new one of these, because when I called the local dealership, they didn't have one in stock and I didn't want to wait, I had installed a small spring that I got at Ace Hardware. You can find these at pretty much any hardware store. So this guy right here, it worked quite well for the interim. But now that I had to take the Jiffy Stand off anyway to fix it, I figure I'll replace this sucker too with the proper Jiffy Stand spring. The problem with this is that when you extend it, it wants to pull back every time. Whereas this one will actually help the Jiffy Stand stay extended, and the bushings in here help lock it in place. Well, that's it from the Lone Wolf Garage for today. I chose a better viewpoint so you didn't have to look up my nose again. Hope everyone is getting a lot done during this world quarantining event and not going stir crazy. Yeah, it's a little rough, and I hope everyone is staying positive, staying hopeful, and enduring. All right, guys, rock on.